Hello and welcome to another update video about Binance Coin. Binance continues to, or BNB, continues to move in this ascending wedge pattern here, which could be a completed wave 4. Okay, so the idea in the last video and previous signals that I sent to channel members was that a potential wave 4 top could be in here because the wave can be counted as complete, right? So I can count a complete WXY structure, wave W, X, Y. This is certainly a complete 3-wave structure that can be counted in different ways, no problem, but it's certainly a 3-wave structure. And I would really struggle to count a 5-wave move here. I mean, anything is possible, but really, I mean, how? So for me, a confirmed top is not in place yet because it's not confirmed, but a potential top for the wave 4. And in previous videos and again signals, we looked at, okay, it could now get down to the trend line. That's the next decision point. Reaction to the trend line is not really overwhelming yet. So I think if we break below this ascending trend line, then we have a good chance that this ascending wedge pattern breaks to the downside. They often break to the downside, these wedge patterns, they often do. Not always, okay, but you can see that the ones that did break to the upside recently, these ascending wedges on many crypto charts, well, most of them broke down again, all right? So they were just fake outs. So I don't trust these ascending wedges with regards to breakouts to the upside. That's why I always say they typically break to the downside if it's an ascending wedge. You just need to keep an open mind here until it's broken, but my perspective was pretty clear that typically an ascending wedge is one that breaks to the downside. If it goes up here above 269, I have to interpret this chart a little bit more bullish, because above 269 this move up would be too strong for reliable wave 4, and therefore we would then need to interpret it, and maybe we would then have to say, okay, a low is possibly in, but at the moment I just have no evidence. I mean, the move up was corrective, we are still below resistance, and therefore a move down is preferred at this stage. Again, a move above 269 would cause me to change this perspective. Yeah, what else to highlight? Well, I mean, what might be potentially interesting for a potential breakout to the upside could be this trend line. It's a little bit too early. We're far away from that trend line, but that would go along with a break above 269, okay? So breaking above the 269 level would probably also go along with a break above the descending wedge. The descending trend line. And I don't know if maybe it is a wedge pattern. If I zoom out, sometimes you're focusing on the trees and you lose sight of you're focusing on the forest. No, 1 second, the other way around, you know what I mean. You're focusing on the trees and you lose sight of the forest, the bigger picture. But no, there is no wedge pattern I can clearly see. But nevertheless, it's a descending trend line, and sometimes you get these sort of breakouts. Yeah, maybe it does another low and then takes off. Possibility. But if we make one more low, the orange box is still support below 230 and 208. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.